BlocklyProp allows you to play audio files, WAV files in particular, using the Propeller Activity Board with the files stored on an SD card and mounted on the board. To do this, you'll need a speaker, and start by searching the Parallax site and find the VHO360 speaker. It is product number 9000018, and then get the ActivityBot speaker mount, which is product number 725-32905. Then go to learn.parallax.com, go to the audio section, and pull up the part on WAV files and how to do that. All the blocks are explained thoroughly here and how to use them. Next, go to the Sound Library Reference section, and when you move to it, not only will it have a bunch of audio WAV files that you can use already located here, but it'll also explain on how to use a WAV file player to format the WAV files properly. The software you'll want to use for recording your WAV files is called Audacity. You can find them online and download that piece of software onto your computer. When you open Audacity, it'll look like this. What you'd like to do is open up the tracks, say Add New, and you're going to record a mono track. Your rate of recording in Hertz wants to be set at 32,000, and once you've recorded the file, you'll then come over and you'll export it as a WAV file. When you do that, you'll clear all the little settings and save your new file with a name that doesn't exceed 8 characters. Next, let's go to BlocklyProp and write some code. This project is called BlocklyProp WavePlay. When we open it up, you can see that the comment says that that's the name of the file. It's project number 51940 and is shared publicly. Now let's look at the code. First thing it does is beeps the speaker, pauses for a second, and initializes the ActivityBot 360. Next comes some of those WavePlay files. They're available under Audio and under WAV files. The first one sets the volume, and I've set it for a maximum of 10. The next one plays the file called clockwise, allows a second for that to pause, and then it rotates the ActivityBot in a clockwise fashion. Pausing another second, then it plays the file called counterclockwise, allows a second for that file to play, and then rotates the ActivityBot in a counterclockwise direction, again pausing 1 second after that, and then finally playing the file called Wave Easy and pausing for 5 seconds to let that file play. It then stops the motion of the wave of the ActivityBot and then stops the wave files from playing. With the audio files loaded onto the SD card and the VHO360 speaker mounted on the ActivityBot 360, we'll now run the code. This is what it should look like.
Clockwise. Counterclockwise. BlocklyProp makes playing WAV files easy.
Record your own files and give it a try.